Dummy retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the time's bust. Out the window like, cuss. On the hood of the stand.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We back at it again with another lit video, you guys. So today we're gonna start the video a little different. I'm over here at Count Luke. What we about to do is we on 21st and May, man. If y'all need some good mechanic body work. Ooh, I see my truck. Oh my god. I have to take the sunglasses off to see this. Oh, dope. Holy moly donut shop. Very good, buddy. Okay. They're pretty good. They did pretty good, man. Oh, this thing gotta go back in there though. So pop that back in there. Oh, that shit gotta go pop back in there. Oh shit. I didn't replace this or nothing. Shit, it's good enough to me. Look at him. Oh, gotta clean this shit up. It looks good enough to me. I don't know what y'all think, man. Oh yeah, they fixed all this. They did this pretty quick too. I cannot be driving around in no busted vehicle. I guess after I start washing and cleaning, then that's probably when I'll start seeing the falls. Other than that, man, I see everything pretty good. I don't see no dull spots or nothing. You know, I'm about to wash my truck anyways. Get a lot of that white polish off. You know, that's from them buffing it. But like I said, man, I miss my truck. I need my truck back. Alright, shit, they gave me the garbage and the boxes and all that, but I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. It seems like it's pretty good. I'm happy with the work. They did pretty good. If I see other than this, I need them to pop this back in though. I need that to pop back in there, cause that was net like that. My friend, so let me have them fix that. Where my damn PMC at though? That's what I want to get excited about. Let's see. What's going on, Johnny? What's up? There's one thing I need them to fix. This thing is it's out. Pop back in. Back in there. Oh, that was popped back in there. Oh, you know the other screw at? You got another one? Where's my money? Okay, cool. That looks pretty good. This don't look that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
This one is really expensive.
Yeah, expensive. Yeah, if it was worse, then yeah, but man, it looked good enough.
No, it's pretty good.
Is there I don't know, is this torn up or something missing? The all the little.
Yeah.
You got any of those?
Hello.
Good plenty. Did they put my shit? My shit not up in here. Oh, it's back up in here. Let's see. Let's see, y'all. So I was watching a couple other YouTubers. I'm not gonna say no names, but I kind of like watching their videos. But one thing I don't like, what I'm not doing, is like when they be holding it like this to themselves and they talking to other people. Like, man, let me see who you talking to. Let me see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I don't even know what they've been doing. Do they do anything on it? Oh, they fucking with the ignition. Oh yeah, I don't know. They probably just now getting started on it. Or did they? They already start working on it or no?
Yeah, with the red, I put it when the red is ready. With now, try change.
Oh, you changed the ignition?
And the AC, I don't know, shoot, man.
Okay, you didn't check it yet? Or
Yeah,
no?
check, but I don't know, it's the compressor. I don't know.
Okay, yeah, let me know.
Put more money in the car. What do you want to do?
Yeah, I want to fix it. You can fix it. Yeah. I mean, I'm keeping that one. From
Oh, yeah?
yeah, I'm keep that one.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep that one. So yeah, I want to fix the AC.
86?
Huh?
86?
87?
87?
Yeah. Yeah, I want to keep that one. It's the same year I was born, so I'm gonna keep that one.
Alright.
Yeah. So yeah, if you gotta just fix the AC, just let me know what you gotta do and just call me. Fix the AC and then you gotta call.
On Monday in the square.
Okay. Well, Monday.
Yeah.
Okay, and then call the
Call this
the
guy,
locksmith.
they'll fix this car.
He don't fix.
No, I'll call the other guys. I have the other number.
Yeah, cause some people work on older cars, so so we just need the key for the outdoor.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And you say you already got the windows to work? Okay. Well, let me look at it.
Yeah. The key's in it.
Okay. So yeah, guys, let's get up over here. Oh man, get up in here. I pushed it all the way up. Oh, look at him. Look at him, y'all. Oh yeah. I ain't never noticed that before. That's what I'm talking about. Rolling windows up and down. Alright, stop playing around. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, does this switch work? Oh, the switch still work? That's what's up. That's what's up. So we gonna fix this. You still gotta fix the ignition, y'all. So you said Monday. Probably continue this video. Monday. I can't wait. Yeah, I need to fix this AC. Yeah, I'll put more money into it. Even if you gotta buy an AC compressor or whatever. Don't matter. Get that AC working. It's too goddamn hot to be playing with this car. All right, Jenny. I'll see you in a little bit. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Lucky.
All right. Oh, yeah, guys. Hop in my truck. I mean, y'all know I missed. Damn. They short. I missed my truck. I ain't gonna lie to you. Why is that out? Oh, they're trying to get the color code? I don't know. Alright guys, we're going to see pumping and jumping up in here. So guys, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and continue this video. I ain't do too much, man. I like how it look. Let me go back over here and walk around it. Again, be careful, man. It comes straight out the paint shop and crash into something. Ain't that about a beep? I'm working on my cussing, y'all. I be trying. Man. Every once in a while, y'all know a little cussing here and there ain't gonna hurt nobody. Let me see. Oh, I missed my truck. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I paid good money for my truck. We can go another little walk around it. Oh, this up. Get this thing cooled up in here. So we got all that set up. Okay, cool. We got that shit to the max. Oh yeah. Full tank, hey, full tank of gas. I dropped it off on a full tank of gas. That shit may be buffed or whatever. Man, I think it's good, man. Now, I think it's good. Hey, way better. That shit, they ain't charging me that much, though. Shit, I'm good. What little paint is that? I'll go over there. See, I gotta go over it after I painted, but shit, it came out pretty good, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Came out pretty good. Came out pretty good, man. And you know, ain't nothing like the factory, but shit, it looks pretty good, man. It's not an eyesore. It don't make me like, oh, I don't like the truck no more. I'm happy to get my truck back, so one of those things. What the hell over here? What the fuck is that? Buff that little part out. Okay. Yeah, I think I did pretty good, man. Buying my little parts, can't tell the difference. I still gotta wash it. Now it's time to wash this truck. But it looks good. Colors match. I don't see no difference. I don't know, can y'all? It look pretty good. I'm happy, so happy to get my damn truck back. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So we can continue to get back at it. So I gotta go wash this truck up. Matter of fact, I gotta go get this truck detailed. Not today though. I gotta start fresh early in the morning, drop it off. Might drop it off Monday or Tuesday. I gotta go get a wheel alignment too for this. You know, from it being hit, I want to get the wheel aligned. Get a wheel alignment for this. So that's the next move. I'm just gonna continue this video tomorrow, man. I don't wanna or should I just I did say I don't like continuing my video, y'all, so I did want to show y'all I got my truck back. It's looking good, and I want to drop videos, man. I hate saving videos, so I might just drop this video like it is. I know it ain't too much of nothing, but shit, hey, I got my truck fixed. I paid to get it fixed. Like I said in the last video, the reason why I decided to come out of pocket and pay is because I didn't want the damage to show up on the Carfax. You know, if I decide I want to sell this truck, I want all my damn money. Not some of my money, but all my money. You know what I'm saying? So it's just a move that I wanted to do just because I know how I am. Sometimes I be like, man, I want to sell this. I want to get all my money. I don't want it to be on the Carfax or whatever, you know, on the record. You know what I'm saying? Plus, the insurance, I got full coverage on it, but I just don't think the damage was full enough to, you know, to be on the record. And then I waited too long, and then I did that damage. And then if I would have made a police report, I would have been lying to the police officer. And I just don't want to do all that shit, man. I should have made the report the same day I hit the car, and then, you know, that back there was my fault. I jackknifed it. So, man, he gave me a good price though for front and back. So it is what it is. I paid for my parts. Then he had to put no parts with like Bondo and body work for the back. I bought that $400 for that light. It was $800 at the dealer, and yeah, man. So now I got to get a wheel alignment. So I'm not done with this truck. This is a minor setback, man, for a great come up. I got a lot of plans, man. I got a lot of plans. I've been watching a lot of other YouTubers, like I said, man. And I will give them a shout out, but I don't feel like giving nobody else no shout out right now. But I'm over there just watching, coming up with ideas for the channel, how I can make my shit better. I get inspired by other YouTubers, man, small or big, you know. So I'll be watching, man. But I got some shit coming, man. It's season 10. We about to turn up. I'm about to change it up. I promise you, I'm about to change it up. Some of y'all been with me since 1,000 subscribers. Some of y'all been with me since 10,000. Some of y'all been here with me from the beginning. So y'all seen the change, but shit's about to change even more. And I don't know what I'm about to do with that 07 moniker. I might just keep it, man. Use it as a daily. I'm starting to think, what the hell happened? So I don't know, y'all. Get over. These people don't like drive on this street. So that's the plan, man. Because I don't have to sell it. You know what I'm saying? I don't have to sell it. Plus, I want to start my car collection. Lucky number 7, I should have like 7 cars. That's one thing I'm giving y'all a hint to, man. I want to have like 7 cars. So I got a couple cars on my list. You know, a couple classics, a couple cars that I had in the past I want to bring back. You know, I've been looking at some 96 Impala SS's, some F-body Camaros. I don't think about adding cars to my collection, man. Like I could go to any dealership, get any fucking new car if I want. But I just think for the channel, to have them classic Chevys, like y'all know I'm a Chevy person. Have them classics, fix them up. You know, that's just content for days, man. Like I kind of step away from, you know, recording my cars that I flip, man. I know y'all, some of y'all, a lot of y'all get motivation off of that, but you know, I just want to switch it up, man. I've been showing y'all auction videos. I don't even like that shit, man. I like to record shit that I like to do, shit that I like to watch, shit that I like to record. I mean, I'm not gonna say I'm gonna stop. I already attempted that a long time ago, try to stop recording at the auction, but I'm just, I don't know. I'll record when I like buy something that's cool. I don't want to really record like the shit that I'm flipping like that. I mean, I will, but I really don't like to. If y'all know what I mean. I like to record the cool shit, man. I want to start flipping other shit, man. So, but anyways, guys, we're gonna test our mechanics and see how they do on that. Oh, it's Saturday. I'm thinking it's Sunday. I'm like, you're not supposed to be open. They trying to get their money. But anyways, guys, man, I'll see y'all in the next video. And like I said, I didn't do too much. All I did is picked up my truck. But I wanted to make a quick video for y'all and talk to y'all for a little bit. But anyways, guys, shout out to the whole Lucky Nation. But just like that, this video's over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky Wheels and Deals. And I'm out. Yay!
Retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the time's bust. Out the window like, cuss, on the hood of the scraper.